Hey guys, so I'm actually going out right now to take the printout of the RT-PCR report, and also I'll get some ice creams, you know, one last time with the family. So guys, these are the 4 bags which I'm going to carry for my flight to the US. And this is like a backpack, but it's quite heavy, maybe 5 to 7 kgs, I don't know. This cabin bag, it's another 7 to 8 kgs. 7 is the limit, but they allow 1 or 2 kgs here and there. This third bag, this is the head or shoulder support in the flight. This is the bag. It has got this TSA lock, which is very important when you go by airplane, because they have this key to the lock, and if they find anything suspicious, they just use the key and open the lock and check your bag. But if they don't have this key, if your lock is something different, they directly break it. So it's advisable to take this kind of a lock for your bags. And this is the last bag. These are all hard material bags, the hard bound bags. You also got one soft leather ones, but those are not advisable, because in the aircraft they will just throw your bags here and there. So these hard ones are preferred. You can also see that I've put this identity kind of thing where, you know, people would know my name, and like if my bag just gets misplaced or something, so people can easily find me. Also, I've put this ribbon so that I can identify my bag from far away as well. I've put this on every bag. Here I've got some reds, ID, red ribbon. So this is kind of a luggage which I'm going to carry. These are like 23 kgs, 7.5. So guys, this is my passport and this is my ticket. BOM to EWR, which means Mumbai to Newark, New York, and Newark to RDO. So yeah, this is how I'm carrying it, and now we'll be leaving in like 15 minutes. It's drizzling a bit, but yeah, we should be good. Let's go. So guys, this is my world right now in 2 bags, 2 big bags and 1 small bag and 1 backpack. And now we'll load it in the car, then we'll leave. So finally we have left for the airport. The time is around 5:45 and I need to reach there around 7:15. So at the back, me, mom and my sister are sitting. Dad is driving, and my place is taken by one of the bags, and 2 bags are in the trunk. So it will take around 1 hour to reach the airport. We have to go to Terminal 2. So I'll continue when I reach there. तो गाइज पार्किंग वार्किंग हो गया है, एंड लकीली हम लोग को 2 ट्रॉलीज मिला. वी पुट आवर luggage onto those 2 trolleys and my family is carrying it right now and I'm vlogging. तो अभी अपन ऊपर जाते हैं. बहुत सारा फ्लोर्स का लिफ्ट रहता है, आई नो. तो लेट्स गो. Electronics in your check-in, and powders and spices in your handbag. So guys, after like 1 hour, I don't know, mostly I took like 1 hour to complete my security check, and immigration was like 5 minutes. And that was so tiring, to be honest. So my friend is waiting at Starbucks and I'm walking there, but at the security check, every electronic item, every metal thing you have to remove, and there's a lot of rush. You have to keep an eye on your stuff as well, वरना कोई उठा के लेके जाएगा, ऐसा वैसे सब. Finally that was done, and now I'm going to Starbucks where my roommate is actually waiting for me. So guys, we went to Starbucks first, and then now I'm at McD. I gave an order. I'm waiting for the order. I'll eat something because अभी flight को और अभी 1.5 घंटा है, and after boarding the flight 1 घंटे में शायद उन लोग डिनर भी दे देंगे, so not a problem. But अभी थोड़ा I'm thinking to fill something because अभी डिनर का टाइम वैसे हो गया है, but yeah, flight is going to be like 15 hours straight from India to USA.
Door in just a few minutes. At this time, we need all customers to their seats. Your seatbelt securely fastened. Seat back to the tray table with info, a red and long cushion, headrest, footrest, video monitor.
मुंबई से न्यूयॉर्क जा रही हमारी उड़ान
Hey guys, so we finally landed in New York and the time right now is around 5 a.m. but it doesn't feel like pura city chalu hai. When the plane was landing we could see the whole city was open. So many lights and all. Bilkul lagta nahi it's 5 a.m. and this is like the first step in the US for me, so I'm pretty happy about it. Now we will go into the customs and immigration and then go to the next flight. Bye. Actually we should rush to the customs because उधर बहुत line रहता है, but what happened is that my roommate, he forgot his jacket in the plane, so everyone went and we are waiting for him.
To board the train.
But she tried to what? She tried to be in Skype. But that's not her place. She's not the
Full block.
I said don't hurt.
Full block. So we took the air train to go to Terminal C. After all the customs and checking and everything, I finally reached my gate for the second flight, and now the boarding has been started, so I'll just get in the flight and drop to RDU. So I'll meet you guys after I reach RDU. Okay, sure.
Just hold on to it and I'll be right with you. Good morning, welcome.
We have to get past seatbelts on for a few minutes. Currently in Raleigh, like winds out of the north, good visibility, mostly clear skies.
So guys, we have finally landed in RDU and now I'm walking out. There is a final bag. There is a zone 8 where all the taxis come, and I wasn't aware that zone 8 kahan pe hai. So he waited for some time and then he left, and I lose my $5 there. So I lose my $5 and that's a great start. this is where we're gonna live. These are our bags. We live in 104, which is like underground. होता है open? Oh, he's in. He's in 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is our luggage, and look at the planning. I order a mattress on the same day which I'm going to arrive, and it works out so well. I just come to the front door and I see this mattress here. Wow.